Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim Shopee Insurance. So first, open Google Chrome and search for Shopee Insurance. Now click on the official Shopee link that appears in the result. On the page, click on what is Shopee Insurance to learn more about it. Shopee Insurance is a digital insurance marketplace inside the Shopee app that allows users to buy and manage various insurance policies. It offers three types of protection: accident insurance, health insurance, and item protection. Accident insurance provides financial help in case of accidents or injuries with options like still insure personal accident cover, still insure ladies cover, still insure elders cover, and still insure kids cover. Health insurance helps cover medical expenses for specific illness or conditions, including plans such as still insure hospital cash shield, answer emergency cover, and still insure serious illness cover. Item protection safeguards your Shopee purchases from accidental or liquid damage with coverage options like electronics protection, merchandise protection, cracked screen protection, and gadget protection. To buy or manage insurance in the Shopee app, go to the homepage, tap on the finance icon, and select insurance to file a claim. Open the Shopee app, go to me, then tap my insurance, select the policy you want to claim, tap on claim now, and follow the steps. You might need to upload documents like purchase receipts or medical records depending on the type of policy. Once everything is submitted, the claim will be reviewed and Shopee will notify you of the result. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.